Horses out, a lucky touch. Pass to begin, Danari inside Durango. Then moving up is Sweet and Gorgeous. Next on line, Tagaytay Euro. Gold bracelet in the middle, Boogie. Shoes again. Then followed by Perfect Act, Yellow Lane, and Thrill of Victory, Durango. And Lucky Touch, fighting it out for the lead. 3 lengths away in third, Sweet and Gorgeous. Gold bracelet is racing in fourth. Boogie Shoes again, then followed over by Perfect Act. Moving up, Yellow Lane, Tagaytay Euro, and Thrill of Victory. They swing into the back. And it's still Durango by the length, Lucky Touch. 2 lengths away in third, Sweet and Gorgeous, and a mile back in fourth is number 2, Gold Bracelet, Boogie Shoes again. Then next on line, Perfect Act. Moving up, Yellow Lane, Thrill of Victory, and Tagaytay Euro, Durango, Lucky Touch, Sweet and Gorgeous. Moving up on the outside third, but it's still Durango, and Lucky Touch is on the outside. Sweet and Gorgeous remains in the last. They come down to the last 200. Durango, Lucky Touch is on the outside, but it's still Durango, Lucky Touch on the outside. Lucky Touch, Durango, fighting it out for the leader. Durango, Lucky Touch, Durango is down on the inside. Lucky Touch by a length over Durango, and finally, Lucky Touch. Durango, then comes Gold Bracelet, number 7, Sweet and Gorgeous, Yellow Lane. Number 4, Thrill of Victory.
3, 1.